Alright, number 9. It says a milk carrier travels at 15 miles per hour through a neighborhood. Which table represents the distance the milk carrier travels in X hours? So, we know that the formula will have y equals 15 times x. So our constant rate of change, or our slope, should be 15. Our slope is found by a change of y divided by a change of x. And from a table, that means we're going to see how much does our x change and divide it by how much our y changes by. So we're going to look at A. A has a plus 2 and then a plus 30. Then it has a plus 2 and a plus 25. This does not have a constant rate of change. It changes right here. Therefore, it cannot be right because our formula has to have a constant rate and it travels consistently at 15 miles per hour. 30 divided by 2 is 15 miles per hour, but 25 divided by 2 is not equal to that. Therefore, it's not a constant rate of change and it cannot be our right answer. Alright, C. When we go from 0 to 1, that is a plus 1, and from 0 to 16, that's a plus 16. This one we can automatically eliminate because we know 16 does not match our 15. So even if it is a constant rate of change, it does not meet our required rate of change from our problem. C is wrong. Right? B. When we do this, we get plus 2, and our x increases by 2 each time, and our y increases by 30 each time. Well, that has a constant rate of change, and 30 divided by 2 does give us 15. So this one checks out. It looks like it's the right answer. We're going to double check D just to make sure though. We have plus 2 and we have plus 25. Well, 25 divided by 2 does not equal 15. Therefore, D is wrong and B is our only correct answer.